I am presenting a plantain omelette on the Dutch pot cover. Blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV, scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making eggs for breakfast. And these are all the ingredients we need for our egg. Our egg here is the star of the show, and I have organic egg. And this is the star of the show. You know, let me bring it a little closer. We have organic egg. We have organic egg, organic brown egg, and this is the star of the show today. We are making an egg breakfast. Okay, and over here we have our sausage, cheese. I don't have a lot of cheese, so I just cut up a little piece of cheese. I would have grated some cheese, but I don't have enough cheese this morning. And I have tomato, so sausage, tomato, cheese, assorted bell pepper, and some black pepper. So first I'm gonna put 6 eggs. I'm gonna do 6 eggs. I'm gonna put 6 eggs into a bowl and mix it up. With 6 eggs into a bowl. And this is what I'm gonna cook it on. My Dutch pot cover. You see, my Dutch pot cover, I'm gonna cook it on. So this is the plantain. So we're gonna pour our oil to fry the plantain. Back in the days, that's when you don't have, this is what you use. You have a Dutch pot, you have a cover, you can use it. Oh yeah, it's sizzling. And when one side is golden, just turn it over. I was raised by my grandmother. She was born 1902. I went to live with my mother when I was 13. I never know my real father. I looked for him for a long time. His name is Alvin Wright, and he was from Porus. I don't know. He is from Porus. Because I don't, he should be very old now, like 100. Yeah. But he lives in London. His last known address was in London, but he's Alvin Wright from Porus. Yeah. Porus, Jamaica, West Indies. I was raised from 3 months old with my stepfather. Was a very good man, Vestu Swaby. Veslu Swaby. Vestu, his name is so unusual. Vestu Swaby. Veslu Swaby. Yeah. So I grew up in Comfort Hall, Manchester, and with my grandmother. And at the age of 13, I went and lived with my mother. So it's all frying on one side, so I just flip it over to the next side to fry, okay? So this is the eggs, and I'm gonna whisk them all together. Just whisk them, give them a strong whisk. I cleaned the Dutch pot cover already and just heating it, and when it's fully heated, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and pour the eggs on it. I did not throw away the oil that I use, I save it. So I'm just gonna pour it right on here. It's olive oil and I save it, and I'm just gonna pour it over here. That's less than a tablespoon. And this is the olive oil I like to use. I like to show you everything that I use. I don't hide anything. The only thing I hide is my fruit cake recipe, because that's what I sell to, you know, Jet and I sell that every year. So that's the only recipe I'll hide, my fruit cake recipe. So I show you everything I use, and this is the olive oil I like to use. And I'm just gonna add, that's about a 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna make it 1 tablespoon, so that's a tablespoon to fry the a tablespoon to do the eggs. I'm gonna place the eggs on there, all the eggs. I'm just gonna pour this out, and you know, I whisk this and I just pour it. pour it all there. And you just turn it down. Then we're gonna add all our toppings. See our toppings here? Everything in the bowl is the topping. So we're gonna add our tomato. Add them around the edge. On the outer side, we add our tomatoes. And then we're gonna cover it and let it cook. I just place them a little apart. So this is the finished product here. I just add some black pepper and some cayenne pepper on it. And it was cooked very good on the Dutch pot cover. And you can just cook it in the oven too. You don't have to fry the sausage or anything like that. You don't have to fry anything. Just put everything on the egg and put it in the oven. You can put it on the Dutch pot cover, just in a pot, put it in the oven. And you have, you know. But I'm going to church and I'm happy. It's 2024 and I'm very happy. Come and let me tell you what the Lord has done for me. Hey! Come and let me tell you what the Lord has done for me. He healed my body, saved my soul, baptized me with the Holy Ghost. Come and let me tell you what the Lord has done for me. Don't forget to go over to Margaret TV and give me a subscription. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.